Now we're going to talk about PEX fittings. What I did was I took a PEX pipe and fitting and took it out of the system, but this is what you will see underneath the sinks or in wet bays. The majority of RVs will use this type of plastic PEX. Some will use a poly cord, which can bend a little bit more. You can still use the same size PEX rings for those as well. The tools that we're going to use are diamond cutters. This is going to get the PEX ring off. This is a larger set just in case you need a little bit more muscle. This will cut the pipe. Needle nose pliers are always good. This will help get the rings off. We have the knife. This will cut the PEX pipe. We'll see that in a second. As well as the PEX ring ratchet. This is going to be your friend. A very good tool, a little bit of an investment, but this is going to save a lot of hassle as well as calling out a tech. So the other thing that I mentioned in another video is we have a bunch of PEX fittings, PEX rings for you to use, O-rings. These are all things that you're going to use during your RV career. To remove the PEX fitting, we're going to take our diamond cutters. This might be a place where you need a little bit more muscle, but what we're going to do is we're going to put the diamond cutters across the middle, not coming underneath, but across the middle, and prying in the middle of that to cut across. You'll need a little bit of muscle. Can crank it just a little bit. What we're looking for is a nice cut right in the middle of that PEX fitting. So you see it popped open. What we can do is take our needle nose pliers. This can just loosen up the ring a little bit just to get it out of the way. Then we take our knife. We'll do a cut one way. Rotate it a little bit and you're making a pie slice. And now what we can do, see how the pipe separates? We can easily remove the fitting. Go ahead and take the pipe cutter, get a nice clean cut. You can find the end later. We'll take the ring off, grab a new PEX ring, put that on first, grab our new fitting, place that on, and push it all the way to the end. This has teeth on it. Some PEX fittings don't have these teeth to show how far away you should be, but about 1/4 of an inch. You don't want to be up on that. Sometimes you have to turn it around to make sure that you are even on all sides. Then go ahead and take your ratchet tool. Start ratcheting down, making sure the ring stays in its place. And what we're looking for is the blue light. Blue light says it is tight and fitted. Hit the release, and you have a fitted PEX fitting.